feet were sore, till my knees were weak, and I couldn't travel anymore. What would I see when I travel far and wide? Would I see the world through another man's eyes? I could swim the oceans, climb mountains too, but I'd just be wondering, what kind of man are you? What kind of man are you? What kind of man are you?
Yes, hello again YouTube. Out in the mountain again. This is the Zero Tolerance 0350 stone washed. I like this blade a lot. It's a big beast of a knife. It's the smaller version of the 300, but it's really sturdy built, and just look at those big jimpings. Anyway, I'm quickly gonna give you the specs here. It's a speed assisted opening folding knife. It has a liner lock. A blade is about 3.25 inch. It's a tactical and survival knife, and I really like the blade shape and the robustness of this knife. Yes, it has a S30V recurve drop point blade. It's 3¼ inches long, and it has a sturdy 0.125 inch thickness. I like this. I like this blade. I like the blade shape of it. I like the handle, G10, and yes, I'm gonna try to beat the shit out of this knife. I've actually had it for a while, but I haven't been using it too much. So this summer I took it for a really good workout. It might be a little bit too heavy in your pocket or for someone, but I like it, and it flips open with insane what do you call it? It backfires when you flip it open, so it opens with authority. So yes, this is the knife I've been dabbling around with in the mountains. I like it because it's sturdy, and you can also use the thumb disc stabber. That's actually a stopper. So, but you can use it, but it's not the most. It doesn't feel too good. So I use the flipper. Anyway, in the mountains, there's my dog again. We got some more walking to do. So stay out of trouble and have a splendid day. I'm gonna leave you with a couple of views from where I am today. So take care, folks. Hooah!